Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna let you in on some secrets to get that long, shiny, and healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Let's dive right in. First things first, scalp care. A healthy scalp is the foundation for fabulous hair. I recommend massaging your scalp with warm oil at least once a week. Coconut oil, argan oil, and castor oil are amazing choices. They nourish your scalp and stimulate hair growth. Next, don't underestimate the power of a good diet. Foods rich in biotin, like eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes, can speed up hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon and walnuts add that glossy shine. And don't forget your greens. Spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals that keep your hair strong. Hydration is key. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Hydrated hair is happy hair. Also, avoid overwashing your hair. Aim to wash it 2 to 3 times a week to retain those natural oils. Let's talk about brushing. Use a wide-tooth comb or a brush with soft bristles to avoid breakage. And remember to be gentle, especially when your hair is wet. Want to give your hair a little extra love? Try a DIY hair mask. Mix avocado, honey, and olive oil for a nourishing treatment. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing out. Your hair will thank you. Heat styling tools can be harsh on your hair. Whenever possible, let your hair air dry and limit the use of flat irons and curling wands. If you must use heat, always use a heat protectant spray. Lastly, regular trims are essential. Trimming the ends every 6 to 8 weeks prevents split ends and keeps your hair looking healthy. So there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to having gorgeous, long, shiny hair. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these habits, and you'll see amazing results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hair care tips. Until next time, stay fabulous.